And welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, a growing underground industry, unqualified individuals posing as dentists.
They're offering services that may put some Jamaicans at serious risk.
We take you inside the dangerous world of fake dentistry, where the pursuit of beauty could come at a devastating cost.
Ramarda Lyons has part one of this TVJ News special report, Glamour or Gamble, Unregulated Dentistry.
You lay on a chair. The tools look real, but the person behind the mask, they may not even be a dentist. They have Instagram followers but no license. Many Jamaicans leave smiling, but those smiles could fade into pain and tears from health implications. However, the danger continues, sometimes operating even in living rooms for extractions, braces, and even more common in recent times, teeth whitening and veneers. Veneers are thin shells that are custom-made to cover the front surface of the teeth. They are mainly used for cosmetic purposes. The veneer, though, isn't the issue. It's the people, unqualified and uncertified. It's an issue the Dental Council of Jamaica says has become popular over the last 7 years. Now, a source has shared a disturbing case involving a child. After being taken to get veneers through an uncertified individual, the child, sadly, had to be hospitalized. According to the source, pathological changes were evident in the child's mouth because of the veneers. The case has been turned over to the major organized crime and anti-corruption agency, MOCA. Fashion braces have also emerged as an area of concern. This man said he decided to get the fake braces because they were trendy.
We've seen the person's work on Instagram and TikTok, and it looks like the person honestly did the job like as we saw. It was good enough, and that's all that we needed to see. Being that it looked authentic. So we were definitely not certain that the person was certified.
3 months ago, I contacted an individual who we'll call Quack Dentist 1. He's a proclaimed certified whitening specialist and a teeth whitening technician. I contacted him on Instagram for an interview. My account was blocked. The individual has over 64,000 followers across Instagram and TikTok. He has been advertising super white veneers for $2,000 US, 300,000 Jamaican dollars. I reached out to another page offering similar services with over 50,000 followers on Instagram. The interview request was declined. The Dental Act sets the legal framework for dental practitioners in Jamaica. It says any individual found to be practicing dentistry without being registered or licensed is committing an offense. They may face a fine not exceeding $1 million or imprisonment not exceeding 1 year. It also says any registered dentist who allows an unregistered dentist to practice dentistry on any premises used by that registered dentist in his professional duties is also guilty of an offense. But as at March 2025, the Dental Council received over 200 calls from individuals who previously used illegal practitioners and were seeking registered and licensed dentists. This is a list of registered dentists as at December 31, 2024. The final listing of those who've complied with the mandatory standards for practicing certificates. When I checked, Quack Dentist 1 is not on the list. Now I called the business number listed on his account under the guise of an interested party to inquire about a veneer course being offered.
Calling regarding the teeth whitening course. You guys still taking on people?
No course at this time. Yeah, this is like about a year now. We haven't did any more course. It's just strictly the standalone service.
I was told that the dentist who assisted with training and certification is no longer available for the course.
I should ask though, are you in the dental field? Like your dentists are...
No, just looking to enter.
Oh, okay. If you were a dentist, then you wouldn't need any certification. I could just train you. Mm-hmm. But if you're not now, then our dentist not on board anymore to assist with the certification, then I don't think it is 100% viable on your end. Yeah? You would just get the training. Well, if it's up to you, though.
The cost is $150,000.
Still 2 weeks?
Yes, 1 to 2 weeks. So technically it's 1 week, but if you see that you need an extra week to master it, because you learn everything basically, because it's more hands-on.
Here at the University of the West Indies, Mona, the Doctor of Dental Surgery program has a duration of 5 years. This is offered over 15 semesters. Likewise, the Doctor of Medical Dentistry, which is offered here at the University of Technology, is a 5-year program. And upon completion, graduates of each university must complete a 1-year internship to be fully certified. It's why Jamaica's chief dental officer is outraged. We'll hear from him in part 2. Ramarda Lyons, TVJ News.
The victim